let's begin. Hi there, welcome to Sarah Yoga. My name is Sarah and this is Nala. And we are here with another one of our 15-minute quick little yoga practices. This one's about moving more into the heart center and feeling at home in your own space of your body. So heart and home, a nice yummy 15-minute practice. We're going to need one yoga block and one pillow. If you don't have blocks, grab an extra pillow, an extra couple pillows. And then also note that if you're looking for a longer practice today, we have this class as a full 1-hour version as well, and I'll put the link below. So grab your block, grab your pillow and yourself, and you're all ready to go. We'll jump right in. So we're gonna start here just in a comfy seat. So you can come and sit on your pillow or on your blocks. But just start to make your way into a nice comfy seat. And when you arrive there, go ahead and just close your eyes. Think of this class as kind of like a coming home to not only this sort of sacred space on your mat, but also back to your own body and back to your own breath from wherever you may have gone off to today, whether it's just kind of being busy within your own work, or maybe busy in the mind for all sorts of other different reasons. So as we take a moment here in our seat, we're just going to let everything settle, beginning to observe the inhales and the exhales, starting to really just feel the breath moving in and out of the body. And if any point here in the beginning you want to let an exhale go out of your mouth, give yourself that freedom to let go of the jaw, or maybe even let out a little bit of sound. And then take a moment and notice just the inhales. And watch them fill in some of these spaces across the rib cage, trickling down into the belly, the low back, even widening into the pelvic floor. And then take a moment and notice just the exhales. See if there's anything else you can kind of release here from your day. Notice if there's any physical tension in the body, that you can feel soften or maybe less of on the exhale. And then whenever you're ready, we're just going to kind of continue to let those inhales and exhales come in and out. And we're going to now start to move. So you can keep your eyes closed. Just start to circle your shoulders up, down, back, and around. Maybe start to match the inhale on that upward movement, the exhale on that downward movement. Starting to feel the front of the rib cage, the collarbones, and that heart center really opening up here as you draw the shoulders down and back. And so in our own body, thinking of the heart center as sort of that central home space. And we're gonna use the breath here and some movement to start to open up, kind of clear out that space. Next, we're gonna add the arms here. You might take your eyes open just slightly, and on your inhale, we're gonna sweep the arms back, around and up. And then exhale, cactus arms, just float them down. Feel the chest rise, maybe even the chin lifts up towards the sky. And we'll do that again. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, cactus arms. Shoulder blades together on the back, heart opens. Once more, inhale, take up space, spread your fingers nice and wide. Exhale, cactus arms. Pause here in cactus arms, see if you can draw your elbows back a little more. Scooch or cinch the bottom edge of your ribs in, and then lift from that heart center. Take a nice deep breath in, and then exhale, round, forearms, elbows, and palms come together, chin to chest. Inhale, peel it back open. And exhale, round. Starting to feel into your upper body here. Inhale, open it back up. And exhale, round. We have one more. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, and round. This time as you open up, take your arms nice and wide. Take them slightly behind you, poof out the chest. And then exhale, release the hands behind you, clasp the hands, and bump your fists over towards your right hip. Take a nice deep breath in, lengthen through the back of the neck. On your exhale, we're gonna drop right ear over towards the right shoulder. And then feel that left shoulder draw back in space a little, opening up the left side of the neck. And just for a moment here, maybe you let your mouth hang open. Soften that jaw, the back of the throat, the weight of your tongue. Feel your eyes soften. Another deep breath in, all the way down to the belly, to the pelvic floor. And then exhale, release. Head comes back up to center, bump your fists up and over to the left. Moving to the other side, left ear to left shoulder. That right shoulder just kind of gently drops down and back. And then take a few deep rounds of breath here. Maybe you let your exhales fall right out of the mouth. Really loosening up the jaw and the tongue. Nice, one more inhale. And then exhale, release. Unwind those arms and hands. Just bring your hands together right in front of your heart. Take a slight lift. Feel that heart center lift. Drop the shoulders. Feel the back of the neck nice and long. Soften the soles of your feet. Feel the jaw soften. And then take a breath here all the way down into your belly. Open mouth. Exhale, let it go. Let your hands go. And now we're going to start to make our way onto all fours, right? So you can just set your props aside for right now. And we'll come all the way around. And right when you land here, feel free to just start moving into those hip circles. Rock it out, start to circle out through the shoulders. And you can circle out through the head. All right, maybe you just keep your eyes closed here, again, moving more internally, creating like a safe space to explore the body. All right, notice if there's any kind of judgment or negativity that happens as a reaction in the mind. Let's add a few rounds of cat-cow into this. So on your next inhale, grip the mat with your finger pads, pull the heart forwards, open up through that heart center again, and then exhale, tuck the toes round, chin to chest, moving into the heart from the back body, the shoulder blades. Again, inhale brings you forwards. And then exhale, like you're splitting your shoulder blades apart, letting that space pour into the back of the heart. Once more, inhale. And exhale, round. Let's climb up, downward dog. Take it up and back. Pedal out the legs. Take a moment, shake out your head. Feel that nice firm foundation underneath you, supporting here the hands and the feet. And then if you can, see if you can find a little bit more length by pushing down, opening up through the heart, letting it pull slightly forwards as you draw those inner thighs up and back. On your inhale, let's pull forward to either that plank or a modified plank by dropping the knees. And then exhale all the way down to your belly. Baby cobra here. Inhale, roll open through the heart. And then exhale, we bring it back down. Tuck your toes, climb up and back, downward facing dog. Right away here, we're gonna ground down through the left heel, sweep that right leg up and back. And then exhale, step the right foot all the way through, lower the left knee down. Rising up, Anjaneyasana, arms come up and overhead. We're gonna reach for that right elbow with the left hand and then grab hold of that left forearm with the right hand. Push your head back. Feel the chest open. Right hip pulls back. Left hip pulls forwards. Take a nice deep breath in and turn that heart once more open towards the sky. Take another inhale here. On your exhale, start to pull yourself up and over to the left. Big side stretch from that elbow all the way down to the hip. And then inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Hands come down, folded over the right leg, runner stretch. And we'll rock here, in and out of this pose. Inhale, come forwards. Sink the hips down, lead with the heart. Exhale and fold. Okay, maybe you close your eyes. Inhale, we rock forwards. And exhale, fold. Once more, inhale, rock forwards. Land your left palm. Right arm sweeps open for a twist. Stay here or reach back towards the back of the mat. Maybe you bend your knee. Maybe you reach for the foot. Wherever you are, push into the heel of that left hand and spin your heart open towards the sky. And then take a breath into that heart center. Maybe let go of the jaw. On your exhale, we're gonna gently release, return that right hand back down to the mat, step the right knee back. On your inhale, pull forward, either modified or full plank. And then exhale, nice and slow, lower it back down. A baby cobra, or you might rise up a little higher this time. And sometimes it feels good to rock from side to side, getting into the low back a little. And then we'll take ourselves up and back, downward dog. Nice. Take another deep inhale here. On your exhale, draw that right heel down and back. Inhale, left leg goes up, big stretch. Step the left foot all the way through, right knee grounds down, and we rise up, Anjaneyasana. Once you're up here, go ahead, grab that right elbow with the left hand, or opposite actually. Left elbow with the right hand, right forearm with that left hand. Scoop the navel in, and then lean your head back. All right, feel some light and some space pouring into the front of the throat, all right, the front of the heart center. Take another inhale here, maybe lean back a little more. And then on your exhale, we're gonna pull the left elbow up and over to the right. Feel that left hip crease pull back in space. Nice side stretch. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Exhale, float your hands down. Runner's stretch, fold over that left leg. And we'll pulse. Inhale, come back forwards, drop the hips, lead with the heart. And then exhale and fold. 2 more, maybe just close your eyes. And then the next time you're forwards, pause here. Shift the weight into the right hand, left hand goes all the way up for your twist. You might stay or reach back, or maybe bend the knee and aim for that foot. So plant down through the heel of the right hand and twist open towards the sky. All right, see if you can drop your shoulders. Maybe let some of that slack go in the jaw. Take another breath in. And then exhale, release, and we'll step that left knee back. This time, take a few circles with your hips. Roll it out. Roll out through the shoulders, the head, the neck. Maybe let a breath fall right out of the mouth. And then we'll pull forward into that modified or full plank pose again. Exhale, lowering it all the way down. Finding another back bend here, baby cobra or upward dog. You might take a couple rocks from side to side. And then we'll meet in child's pose. Knees wide, big toes together, forehead comes all the way down to the ground. And take another final deep breath in here. Open mouth. And then we'll take our time and we'll climb our way up, and we're gonna make our way into a cross-legged seat. Bringing ourselves back to center, back home, back to right where we started. Bring both of your hands together right in front of your heart center and just kind of notice how you feel. So I'm going to leave you here. You can stay here for as long as you like. All right, if you have to kind of move along with the rest of your day, you'll close out with me. Let's take a nice final deep breath in. Open mouth. Bowing the head to the heart. Namaste. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time on Sarah Yoga.